Hey guys! In this video we are going to be checking out the best framing nailers. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. NuMax 21° 3-1/2 Full Round Head Framing Nailer. You can find a wide range of power tool options from NuMax that are generally quite affordable and can be used for various kinds of applications. They also make a framing nailer that is a pneumatic one mentioned here. The NuMax SFR 2190 pneumatic framing nailer is present in the first position in this article, as it is one of the cheapest options present here. As a result, it can be a great pick if you are on a budget and still want a decently powerful framing nailer for construction purposes. As per its name, it is a full round head framing nailer that is quite ergonomic to use. This is possible due to its padded grip handle that offers grip as well as comfort. Another great thing about this framing nailer is that it is quite sturdy and lightweight at the same time. Although, since this is a budget option, you only get a 1-year-long manufacturer's warranty with it. This 21° framing nailer allows you to use 2-inch to 3.5-inch long nails that is pretty good for most users out there. You also get pretty decent performance from this pneumatic framing nailer, as it operates from 70 psi to 115 psi. As for its airflow requirements, you need 2.5 CFM at 90 psi in your air compressor to use it. Number 2. Metabo HPT 2" to 3-1/2 Framing Nailer. While various power tools brands focus on heavy-duty and industrial equipment, Metabo HPT is one of the biggest names out there. And you can even find various framing nailer models from Metabo Hitachi Power Tools. Metabo Hitachi Power Tools NR90AES1 framing nailer is present in the second position in this article, as it is highly powerful and reliable at the same time. This is due to the reason that this pneumatic framing nailer uses a 21° magazine. You can fit 2 inches to 3.5-inch long framing nails with this magazine that are quite long. As a result, this framing nailer is perfect for applications like flooring, framing, window build-up, roof decking, wall sheathing, and various other things included in house construction. One of the best things about this Metabo framing nailer is that it comes with a 5-year-long warranty. You also get a very sturdy build quality that weighs just 7.5 pounds for ease of use. To further make this framing nailer ergonomic, it offers rubber grip on its handle that ensures that it does not slip. Its selective actuation switch can be useful for switching between sequential and contact nailing modes as per the user's requirement. You even get a tool-less depth adjustment dial with this framing nailer that is always handy to have for high precision. Number 3. Freeman Pneumatic 21° 3-1/2 Full Round Head Framing Nailer. Freeman is a highly popular brand among power tool users, as it offers value for money and highly reliable options out there. This is also true for its framing nailer model mentioned here in this article. This Freeman PFR 2190 pneumatic framing nailer is present in the third position in this article, as it is the most reliable option present here. But unlike other similar options in terms of reliability, this one is much more affordable and value for money. You get an excellent build quality with this framing nailer, even though it is quite lightweight for ergonomic use. And the best part about this framing nailer is that it comes with a 7-year-long warranty that is much better than most other options out there that offer 1-year or 3-year-long warranty to the user. Just like various other pneumatic framing nailers present in this article, this Freeman PFR 2190 framing nailer is a 21° nailer. You get the support for 2 inches to 3.5-inch long nails while using this framing nailer for construction. Since this is a pneumatic framing nailer, it requires an air compressor to work. Your air compressor has to maintain an air pressure of 70 psi to 115 psi in order to use this framing nailer at its full power. A unique feature of this framing nailer is that it comes with an interchangeable trigger. Number 4. Paslode Cordless XP Framing Nailer. Paslode is a lesser-known brand of power tools when compared with other options in this article. That being said, its framing nailer is one of the only battery-powered options out there. Paslode's 900-5600 framing nailer can be a great pick if you are looking for a portable framing nailer. This is due to the reason that it is a battery-powered one, and you are not tethered by any air hose coming from your air compressor. You can find a 7-volt battery system in this framing nailer that is quite efficient. While it might not be the most powerful option out there, it can drive up to 9,000 nails on a full charge. As for the nail support, you can use 2-inch to 3¼ long nails with this framing nailer. To further make this framing nailer an excellent option for portable usage, it uses a lightweight material that results in a weight of just 7.2 pounds. Even though this framing nailer is quite small and compact, it offers a pretty sturdy build quality. Its compact design allows you to easily fit it between 16-inch O.C. studs, joists, roof trusses, and various other things during construction applications. Unfortunately, you only get a 1-year warranty from Paslode while buying this framing nailer. Number 5. DeWalt 21-degree framing nailer. If you are familiar with power tools and electric ones to be more precise, then you must have heard about framing nailers in the past. While most framing nailers are pneumatic ones, you can find a decent battery-powered framing nailer from DeWalt. Even though the DeWalt DCN21PLB framing nailer is powered by a battery, it is quite powerful. This is due to the reason that this framing nailer is powered by quite a powerful 20-volt battery system. It uses this battery system to power its dual-speed motor for easily driving nails in all kinds of wooden objects and surfaces. Just like the previous Paslode framing nailer, this one offers the support for 2-inch to 3¼ long framing nails. It uses a 21-degree nail magazine for storing all of the framing nails inside it. Since DeWalt is such a reputable brand of power tools, you can expect this framing nailer to last for a long time very easily. You get high-quality aluminum construction with this framing nailer that offers a great balance between strength and weight. Another great thing about this framing nailer is that it comes with a 3-year-long warranty that is pretty decent. Its stall release lever ensures that you do not face many issues in case of any jams due to broken nails. Thanks for watching the whole video.